Okay, this is part 3 of Unit 5E. Just finishing off with the last couple of questions here. So we want to consider each of these statements about correlation, and we're going to state the correlation clearly, whether there's positive correlation, negative correlation, and so forth, and then say whether the correlation is likely due to just, it's coincidental, whether there could be a common underlying cause, or there's a direct cause, and we'll explain these. So the first one, in a large resort city, the number of burglaries increased as the number of hotel rooms increased. So we have, as one variable increases, the other variable increases. So that is a positive correlation. And, could this be just coincidence or an underlying cause? I'd say here that this is probably a common underlying cause, because you have more tourists, you have more people in general in a smaller area, and so when you look at some of these models, if you take an area of land, so a city, and obviously the city's size is not going to, as far as the boundaries aren't necessarily going to grow, but as you cram more people in there, you put more tourists in there, there's a tendency to see an increase in those crime rates, in burglaries and so forth. And so I think the common underlying cause here would just be, we have more tourists that are entering into the city, and so as we add hotel rooms, we're adding more people, and there's a chance that the burglaries are going to increase. Again, it's not a causation, it's just what we would say kind of a common underlying cause that we would need to research further to fully prove. Okay, the next one, automobile gas mileage decreases with tire pressure. So as tire pressure goes down, gas mileage goes down. Okay, so we have them both going in the same direction, so this is a positive correlation. Again, because if they're both decreasing, then they're both going the same direction, then we have positive correlation. It's also vice versa. As you increase that tire pressure, gas mileage will also increase, but you increase a lot of danger there as well, so don't overinflate your tires. Just throw that out there. This one is, we can say this one is a direct cause, because this thing has been studied thoroughly by companies, scientists, and things. So they have gone through a rigorous process to be able to demonstrate that this is the case, so we can find a direct cause. They can change tire pressure and instantly see that change in gas mileage, and they've looked at it from all kinds of different angles, trying to exclude other variables, and there definitely is a direct cause there. So those are the last few questions for Unit 5E. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to let me know. I appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.